Tony and Corey here, your Weekend Warriors.
And now we're talking about Trex lighting. All right, Corey. Trex has manufactured a really intuitive lighting system here.
Yeah, they really made it for every Weekend Warrior. They manufacture everything from the transformer to the wires to the connectors all the way to the lights. It's really versatile and easy for anyone to install. Every light that they make is manufactured with high efficiency Cree LED dimmable lights. And when you plug them into their transformer, you can either get a photo cell, a timer, or even a remote to turn them on and off with. It makes it really nice.
It's a testament to the quality of the product that they manufacture.
Yep. And as far as installation goes, they make it super easy because they give you these wire kits with every light, and they're plug and play. They literally just plug in like that, and then you can just plug this wire into this three-way connector at the post, and this goes down below, plugs in with their wedge lights, goes down below, and it daisy chains in, and that just fits all inside of there, and it goes on top like that, and that's it.
Very easy, very nice. Some of the options that are available in the lighting, of course, is like Ryan and Becky went with a top cap light and also the wedge light, which is also a post light. Options that they didn't choose is recessed deck lighting and, of course, riser lights for your stairs, which show your treads. If you utilize all the lights that are available, it really does light up the entire walking surface of your deck and gives it a whole new look.
Yeah, it is something that you should probably consider at the time of your installation, especially if you're high up the ground like this deck is. You want to run that wire before, so you're not up on a ladder worrying about plugging everything down after everything's installed. But it is notable that you can retrofit this lighting system into any Trex deck, or some of these lights, any deck for that matter.
You know, with the versatility and all of the options and the lighting that's available from Trex, you really can have something that's very unique for every deck. I can appreciate the simplicity of the system that Ryan and Becky chose for their deck, but honestly, Corey, if I'm lighting my deck, you're gonna be able to see it from space. I'm putting lights everywhere. I mean, I'm covering my deck up. Well, that about sums up Trex lighting. When you choose to build your next deck, light it up with Trex lighting. It is an amazing product.
Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we gave you some good ideas for your deck project. This has been another episode of Your Weekend Warriors.
We'll see you next time.